Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big down channel and this uptrend line support as well. Right now, Bitcoin is again dropped at this support. And I also want to show you once again this breakout from the falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with this weekly time frame chart. And this was the down channel. And if you're following my videos on Bitcoin, then you will know that I am following this trend line since after November 2021. And you can see that the price line is not able to break it out so far. We got rejected here in the month of November 2021. Then we had a fake out here in the month of March 2022. Then we got rejected once again in the month of June 2022. And this was another rejection in the month of August 2022 in the previous month. And this is the recent rejection that we got in the previous week. And here we have found another uptrend line support as well. And previously we found such support here. By the way, here in the month of from January 2022 to March 2022, and when we broke it down, then you can see we had another very big drop and we tested the support of the channel. Therefore, if once again we will break down this support, then there will be a very high probability that Bitcoin may move more down and test this support of the channel somewhere at $14,000. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here Bitcoin has already broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And I was telling you that this is the recent swing low before the breakout, and it can work as a very strong support for the price line that is at $18,500 approximately. And before that, you can see recently it is working as a nice support, like after this drop in here and here, and once again we are very close to test this support. So it is possible that it may test this support and then start another reversal move from here. But if this support will be broken down, then this breakout from the falling wedge pattern will be invalidated. Now I would like to show you the oscillator, RSI oscillator, and you can see the way the price line is moving to the downside. RSI is not moving in that way to the downside. You can see price line is moved quite down and RSI is not move so much down like the price line. And it is also possible that soon price line will form another lower than previous low and also break down the support of $18,500. And we will need to watch out for the RSI oscillator in that situation. If RSI will not move more down and form another lower than previous low, then there will be bullish divergence flashed on this chart, and that will be a fake out to the downside, and then the price line can start another reversal move from here. So next few hours can be very important for Bitcoin. We are about to test the support of $18,500 once again, and there can be a possible bullish divergence if the RSI oscillator will not set another lower than previous low. And by the way, Bitcoin is not going anywhere unless we will not break out this long trend line resistance of this down channel, and then we will need to break out this key resistance of $28,600 as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.